Done a Cobra 4627 on a VW transporter. Real tidy install this one. So we have the ultrasonics that match up here. Alarm LED here. Now, this is the base model with the blade key. What's cool, you arm the alarm now. And that's beeping to tell me the window's left open. So if I hold the lock button down on the remote control, it winds the windows up. Or if I leave the window open, it will leave the ultrasonics turned off. But now I've shut them, they're armed. The other one to know, if you unlock the boot, the alarm's still armed, but when I walk around here and I pull the handle, the alarm disarms temporarily, shut the boot, and the alarm's just rearmed again. Super user friendly. Anyway, good alarm, very loud, good protection. For more details, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.